Hey, Tustin, California, down to SoCal. We're staying in this floor that we already stripped, we already cleaned. This is coat number 2. We're going really diluted to give it like a color wash, like a stain, not a paint. So if you look, you can follow up here, you can see Justin's to here, and as you get over here, you can see what they look like original. So you can see the color change as you come here. So we're just gradually putting on 2 light colors just to kill the yellows and the pinks, which a lot of you guys hate anyway. So this is another option for you. It's a terracotta color. What we're doing now is we already got 2 coats on everything. So now I'm just going around to some of the more yellower ones, and I'm doing a 3rd coat on them. So like for instance, if you look at this cluster, this guy's a little light. So what I'm doing is I'm just coming up to him, putting on 1 more coat. So you could do that. You don't have to put the same amount of coats on every tile. You know what I mean? You can put 1 on some, 2 on some, 3 on some. Could really help create that variation. You know, if you don't like the yellows, you know, keep going over them until you kill the yellow. So you got, you know, when you do it thin like this, you have options. Each coat will take you to another level. If you go super thick and heavy, it looks painted on. So you want to really make sure you're diluting it and using it real thin, almost like a watercolor, and that also keeps it from streaking. Now, and then all the work really is, and then once you're done, then you got to come back and see how I got it in the grout. That's the fun part, people. Now I got to come back with a toothbrush and water and a little cleaner and take it out of the grout. So, you know, I make this look easy sometimes, but trust me, that's where a lot of the work comes in. So same thing, if you look right here, here's a couple yellow ones right here that I don't like. So I'm going to go ahead, put a 3rd coat on these just to tone them down, kind of bring them up to the rest of the floor. Like I said, as you can see, I'm barely putting it on. It's like a real, it's like a wash, not a, you know, like a stain. A lot of people just put this stuff on so heavy like it's a paint. And that's not what you want. It's not a stain, it's a paint then. You're painting your floor, not staining it. So, and you could use multiple colors like we do floors sometimes, or we'll do one this color, then use another one more brown. You know, you've got options with the colors. You don't have to just stick to this. So people, I'll tell you what, my schedule building up fast. My summer's getting booked up, so if you want me, you need to act now. So go to my email, leave me your information, maybe some square footage, some pictures, so I can give you a quote, let you know what it's going to take to get caught up to par again, which is basically like new. If you're doing your remodel and you're just, you know, you're just browsing, you know, let me give you some information. You know, you may not be doing it for a year, but I can give you information now that can just help you in the process of, you know, deciding to restore it, or if you're going to rip up some carpet and add a room or a new office or something like that. My email is Fritz Whitman, my name, FRITZ_Whitman, WITTMANN @yahoo.com. Like I said, leave your square feet, like how many tiles you have, maybe some good pictures. If you have broken ones that you want me to replace, give me some pictures of those. Once I can see the square footage, or see the pictures, know the square footage, I can tell you what it'll take to get your project, you know, back to looking new, get your house looking nice again. It's all about, you know, cleanliness is healthiness, people. You gotta have a clean house to feel good about yourself, and, you know, it's depressing when things are dirty. Spruce your stuff up, people. Get her done. Stay informed, subscribe, like us, share. Take care, people. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more stain on this sugar.